So we have done the cause title, details of the parties, then the suit title, then we are starting the paragraph now. What are the paragraphs we have? What are the different paragraphs? The paragraphs which are related to related fact, general fact, and specific facts.
Okay.
Then we have legal paras, that is cause of action, limitation, then territorial jurisdiction, then pecuniary jurisdiction. Okay. Then we have finally what we are writing. Prayer. तो what क्या लिखते हैं?
It has been declaration.
So we have prayer and the last is verification. Declaration you want to write, you can, otherwise that declaration will be implied. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now, so let us start our paragraph. The prayer should be past, present, and future. So क्या क्या देखना है आप लोगों को? पैराग्राफ्स में क्या क्या है?
The related facts and the general facts, specific facts.
उसके बाद what are the legal? Next we have
The legal cause of action, limitations, and territorial jurisdiction, pecuniary jurisdictions.
then we write prayer.
Prayer, past, present, and the future.
Then last we have verification. Okay. Okay. Done. So doubts either? Those who have joining now. Any doubts still here? Hello. लिख लिए जब तक?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. तो इसमें कुछ है पैराग्राफ कौन से रहते हैं, लीगल पैरास कौन सा लिखना है, प्रेयर क्या है, और लास्ट में वेरिफिकेशन लिखना रहता है। ठीक है।
प्रेयर का एक बार फिर से एक्सप्लेन करो ना सर, थोड़ा सा।
प्रेयर अब क्या होना आपको, पास्ट में क्या हुआ, पास्ट में आपको कितना खर्च क्या करा है आपको, फिर अब प्रेजेंट
अच्छा।
क्या होना और फ्यूचर में क्या होना। प्रेयर का मतलब एक ही है कि भाई आप आए कभी कोर्ट को, क्या
अच्छा।
होना कोर्ट से आप। कॉज ऑफ एक्शन का मतलब है कि वजह क्या है कोर्ट को आने की।
हाँ।
प्रेयर का मतलब है कि आप आपको होना क्या। ठीक है, दो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। सो खाली सीक्वेंस याद रखो आप, ऑटोमेटिकली जब हम पैराग्राफ बनाते रहते हैं ऑटोमेटिकली आपको समझ में आ जाता है। ठीक है।
ओके
Sir,
यस
sir,
यस
in
टेल मी।
the legal facts, last time we had given the cause of action, the cause by which plaintiff get the right to sue defendants for remedy. Means
यस,
for which kind of remedies means what, sir?
रेमेडी माने सोल्यूशन,
No, that is
रेमेडी माने लीगल
which the
सोल्यूशन।
plaintiff. What,
plaintiff
sir?
wants, if someone, if what you can say, someone has taken money from you as a debt and is not returning, so that
Okay.
the court, you want the court to You want the court to get your money back. That is the remedy.
Okay. That's okay, sir. That's what I didn't follow when I'm writing the notes.
Okay. Okay. Any
Okay.
doubts? Let us start our. I'm not giving any what you can say. I'm not giving any problem to you. I'll just directly create a story and explain you. Okay. Most respectfully show it. Then we are starting the paragraphs now. Start with the number one. What is the number one? What is the problem we are doing now? What is the case we are doing now? What is the first point क्या लिखते? First point में क्या आता? कौन कौन इधर है क्लास में?
Summary
आप
of the thought.
who are in the class or doing something else? I want the answers from you. I've already told you. और ये पूरा point दे दिया आप लोगों को मैं. What is the first point you have to write?
Information of the plaintiff.
Information of the plaintiff. Have you ever revised? Please make sure that you are revising. That's why I'm asking you to write by your hand. So, what is the information of the plaintiff? How will you write? Your paragraph should be start like this. That the. Your every paragraph should start with the word that. Okay. So, how will you describe the plaintiff? Hello.
Yes, sir.
How will you describe the plaintiff?
The person is so and so of this.
By his name.
His
The
name
name
is
no,
in the matter.
no, you cannot take name. The name has gone. No plaintiff name is gone. You have to be very neutral.
The so and so person and for what complaint is given and what relief we want that about this brief facts of the case you have to write, I think.
You are going too much far. I just want you to describe the plaintiff. Have you ever
Okay,
given
sir.
money to someone?
Describe in the sense about his occupation or else his address.
Yes, exactly. Address you have already given there.
Hmm.
Have you ever given money to someone?
Yes, sir. I have.
No, sir.
Have you ever taken money from someone?
Yes, sir.
If they are describing you, how they will describe?
So and so person of some particular area has taken some specific amount and which has to be given in
No,
certain
No, sir.
specific
Actually,
period.
yeah, I got the point.
You are telling a complete story. I don't want a
No,
complete story. I just
no.
want to describe the one person. That's all. How will you describe him?
Describe
we
in the
should
sense
say
he is
I.
working somewhere or else he is having some
I,
business
sir.
like that.
Please tell me. Look, I want interaction. Yes, our Pawan Kumar is on the right track. I want others also. Jasmine was telling something.
Sir, we should
We start by
say
the
I.
address, like that the plaintiff is a resident of the address, so and so.
इतना deep ये तो आप बोल दिए ना इधर.
Okay.
आप इधर एड्रेस दे दिए ना. आप एड्रेस पहले से दे दिए. खाली छोटा डिस्क्राइब करो उसको. कैसा डिस्क्राइब करते हैं आदमी को? प्लेंटिफ कौन है? Who is the plaintiff? That the
Person who gave money. Yeah.
that the plaintiff is a businessman running a running a small shop
Surya, you are mute. Unmute.
please mute yourself. How will you describe the plaintiff? The plaintiff is a
Businessman running
is a
a small
business
shop.
running a small shop of milk products, including क्या मिल्क प्रोडक्ट में क्या क्या आता?
कर्ड बटर
कर्ड, बटर और
Cheese,
Paneer. Paneer
पनीर,
ghee.
घी और
राइट फर्स्ट फर्स्ट
क्या है? खोआ और क्या क्या आता? देखो, यू कैन दिस कैनॉट बी टॉट बाय एनीवन. You have to use your imagination skills. Plaintiff is a businessman running a small shop of milk product, including curd, butter, and paneer. Or you can say a small shop of sweet. Running a small sweet
shop of
shop.
sweet.
దాంట్లో మొత్తం కొట్టింది లాస్ట్ టైం
Sweet shop. So the plaintiff is a businessman running a small sweet shop. Selling क्या क्या सेल कर रहे हैं स्वीट शॉप में बोलो? स्वीट्स क्या क्या रहते?
हलवा, कलाकंद, बर्फी,
काजू
खोआ,
कतली
कलाकंद,
गुलाब जामुन
काला जामुन,
गुलाब जामुन
Dry
और
fruit laddu. Dry
ड्राई
fruits
फ्रूट्स,
laddu.
ड्राई फ्रूट्स लड्डू और छम छम और
बेसन लड्डू,
Rasmalai.
रसमलाई
rasmalai, rasgulla, everything.
और
Badam milk,
बादाम मिल्क और
rose milk, everything.
क्या क्या इतने मालूम है? और क्या है? काजू बर्फी और क्या क्या रहते? एटसेट्रा. ठीक है. So first we have to describe about the plaintiff because he has taken your money. उन्हें कुछ तो करना ना उधर. You cannot give money to a unemployed person. कुछ तो you have to.
Plaintiff has given the money, right, sir?
Yes, plaintiff has given the money. वो देने के लिए पैसा रहना ना. अब आपके पास ही नहीं है तो दूसरों को देते आप.
No, sir.
ठीक है. Okay. This is the first point. You have just briefly described the plaintiff. What does he do? Next, what is the second point?
Information of the defendant.
Now tell me the information of defendant, like that the defendant is. Defendant कौन है? कुछ भी बोलो. Occupation.
Let's take it.
It is an auto driver.
Okay. So defendant is an ऑटो ड्राइवर, डिफेंडेंट इज एन ऑटो ड्राइवर, ठीक है। ओके, और कुछ बोल सकते हैं? डिफेंडेंट इज एन ऑटो ड्राइवर, प्रॉपर्टी डीलर, और
transports the goods and passengers also.
और प्रोफेशनों के नाम बोलो। एडवोकेट, लॉ स्टूडेंट,
Doctor,
चलिए राइट, एडवोकेट पहले ही कैसा है, क्या बोलते हैं, क्लाइंट नहीं आ रहे,
Okay, sir.
क्या हो रहा? डिफेंडेंट इज एन एडवोकेट having its office located at, कौन से एरिया में रह रहे हैं आप लोग?
Attapur,
तो इधर लिखे अपन, इधर ऑक्यूपेशन लिखे थे ना, एडवोकेट कर दी। लोकेटेड एट अत्तापुर, हैदराबाद, ठीक है। ओके, नेक्स्ट, you have described the defendant. Now what is the third point?
The brief facts, the relevant facts.
Relevant. Now you have described the plaintiff as described the defendant also. Now the third point you have to know, you have to make sure that how this plaintiff is connected to defendant, how the plaintiff is, how the P, how the plaintiff is known to defendant. You have to describe this. You need not write. I'm writing it just as for your sake. You have to know, you have to give a first point. What is the first point? What you will do in the first point?
We'll write about the plaintiff,
What second point?
about the defendant,
Okay. Third,
how they are both known to each other. We have to mention.
okay. So how they are known to each other? That the,
The defendant approached the plaintiff and requested a loan.
अरे डायरेक्टली क्लाइमैक्स पे गए तो कैसा? पहले पूरी स्टोरी, पहले फर्स्ट करना, अपन क्या डायरेक्ट क्लाइमैक्स से उतर जाते? नो नो, पहले पूरा रिलेशन दिखाओ, कैसा मालूम हुआ डिफेंडेंट और प्लेंटिफ के बीच में, कैसा रिलेशन कैसा हुआ?
customer,
कौन किसका कस्टमर है?
advocate is a customer of that plaintiff.
ओके, तो क्या है, एडवोकेट क्या है, कभी भी क्या बोलते हैं, कोई केस जीते बाद में मिठाई बांटने के वास्ते मिठाई खरीदता था ना, तो किसके पास जाते थे उन्होंने?
To the plaintiff.
प्लेंटिफ, या तो डिफेंडेंट एंड द प्लेंटिफ इज आर नेबर्स, ठीक है। सबसे बेस्ट रिलेशन नेबर्स, फ्रेंड्स, द डिफेंडेंट इज known to the plaintiff as they are, as they are
Neighbor.
neighbors residing in the residential society named, क्या कौन से कॉलोनी में रह रहे हैं आप लोग? सोसाइटी का नाम क्या है?
In Sarur Nagar.
एडवोकेट्स The society named Advocates and मिठाई वाला सोसाइटी, ठीक है, कहाँ है? एट अतापुर, ठीक है। देन तो आपको क्या दिखाना है? थर्ड पॉइंट में क्या है? व्हाट इज थर्ड पॉइंट यू हैव टू एस्टैब्लिश?
How the plaintiff and defendant is known to each other.
How the plaintiff and defendant is known to each other. Understood this point?
Yes, sir.
Next. Now, अब इन दोनों तो क्या बोलते हैं आप, खाली नेबर से तो पैसे दे देते हैं आप लोग, हाँ? Will you give money to anyone just because you are neighbor?
No.
सबसे ज्यादा अगर आप
If you know
भरोसा
them,
करते हैं,
if they are very close only, we can go. Or else if you are
how will you show that they are
money
close?
brokers.
How will you show that they are close?
That is if they are known to us or అదేంటి అమౌంట్ ఇచ్చే మనీ లాంటిది బిజినెస్ లాంటిది అయితేనే
కాదు కాదు కాదు. You have to show that there are very close friends. How will they be close?
మనీ
How will you show that they are close?
if you know them thoroughly we can give others
How they are known? How they are
money
known
అంటే
thoroughly?
That they are residing in the same society, I think, right?
How many of you know your neighbors? Do you know your neighbors?
yes sir
One home or second home or third home. They are residing in a society.
అంటే
You have to show that
living in a
the closeness
society
of the. Then you have to show that the closeness of the relations. Okay? How? Let us see. That the defendant's wife, and the plaintiff's wife became close friends over a period of time, and hence the plaintiff and the defendant also got connected and socialized with each other. Just being neighbors are not enough. You need to prove that they are very closely related also. How they will be closely related? If the relatives are all related. This you have to show. You have to, why you are writing all this? To convince the judge that, okay, some really the defendant has taken some money. When you write the written statement, the defendant will deny all the facts. The defendant will deny number one, number two, number three, number four. So you have to make a story such that if even he denies one fact, he cannot define the other. Okay? Then understood this point?
yes sir
Yes, sir.
अब ये क्या था? अब ये कौन से फैक्ट्स थे? What are these facts?
Legal, sir.
बैकग्राउंड दे रहे थे अपन. We were giving the
The relevant.
background of the case
related and general facts. ठीक है? I'm keeping it as green. ये 4 पॉइंट जो लिखे क्या है? We are giving the background, relevant facts थे और general facts थे. Now come to the
Legal facts, sir.
starting of specific facts. Did we mention any? What you have to do? First, your general facts are there. Then when you are going for specific facts, specifics I am putting in the blue color. Okay. ठीक है, समझ में आ रहा है? ये जनरल फैक्ट्स है, इसमें कुछ मैं did I explain you any event or did I give any date here?
No,
पहले के
sir.
4 पॉइंट्स में.
No, sir.
So now we are starting the specific